Stock number 413340. It's a 2020 QX60. INFINITI QX60. You can see the front bumper's no good. The headlight over here is no good. The hood right there is bent. The grille's no good. This headlight over here is good. This fender over here is no good. It does have a key. You can see the front fender's no good. Passenger door's got a little paint problem on it. Side view mirror looks good. Back door's got a scratch right there. This quarter got a dent right there in the quarter panel. The rear deck lid's no good. The rear bumper's no good. This tail light's no good. This quarter panel's no good. You see the back door's got a dent and a scratch. The driver door's good. Front fender's no good. The driver roof airbag's deployed. It does have a key. Seat airbag's deployed. The seat belts no good. It does have a sunroof. This seat belt is good. This is stock number 413340. It's a 2020 INFINITI QX60. It does have a key, but the battery's dead.